Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window, then simply activate your Cloud Shell from here. And if you want, you can expand it. Now what you have to do, come on to lab instruction page. And let's see there is something in setup requirements or not. Okay, so simply copy this co command which is there in setup requirement. When you will scroll down a little bit, you will get that command. Paste here. Then copy this second command, paste and enter. Okay, done. Now scroll down and come on to the task number one. We have to set up our region and zone. Copy the first command, paste and hit enter. Okay, done. Now copy the second command, paste and enter. Okay, done. Now scroll down a little bit. We have to create multiple web servers. And in this task, you have to focus on this task because there is one command which uh, like this is command in which uh, we have to paste the IP of all this virtual machine which we will create. We will create three virtual machine in this task, so we have to paste mm, one by one IP of this virtual command in that code. So what you have to do, copy this first command, paste and enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, so then you will get this type of interface. This is that we have created our first virtual machine. Now let's move to second code, which will create second virtual machine for us. So simply paste and enter and wait for some time. Okay, so we have created our second virtual machine also. Now let's move to point number three, in which we have to create third virtual machine. Simply copy this code, paste and enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we have created our third virtual machine also. Now come on to lab instruction page, scroll down a little bit. Now what we have to do? Simply copy this code, paste and enter. Time. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this code. Now simply scroll down a little bit. In the fifth point, we will get a list with this command. We will get list of all the virtual machine we have created or whatever the external IP is. Simply enter this command and okay. So we have got the three virtual machine which we have created, which is WW1, WW2, and WWW3. These are all are the three virtual machine which we have created with the previous command. Now what do you have to do? We have to run. Uh, uh, you will get the IP address. Okay. So we have got the IP address here, in which you can see that we have to run this command with the external IP. Okay. This is mentioned here, which we have to run this command with the external IP. So what we have to do? Just simply we have to replace this IP address with the external IP of all the three virtual machines. So what do we have to do? Simply copy this and replace this IP address word with the first uh, external IP of first virtual machine. Copy, paste, and enter. Now what you have to do? Again, copy this command, paste, and now we have to do the same thing with the second virtual machine external IP. Copy the second virtual machine external IP, copy, paste here and enter. Done. Again copy this code, paste and replace IP address with the external IP address of third virtual machine and enter. Okay, so we are done with this task. Simply click on check my progress. We will get the green tick here. Now in task number three, we have to configure the load balancing server. Copy first command, paste and enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, done. Then copy second command, paste and enter. Done. Then copy third, paste and enter. Okay, done. Then fourth, Okay, then fifth, is to wait for some time. Okay, so we are done. Now click on check my progress for task number 3. You will get the green tick here. Okay, then we have got the green tick in task number 3 also. We have to do one more task. Now simply come on to the task number 4. We have got the green tick in task number 3. Simply come on to task number 4, copy, paste, and enter. Okay, wait. Copy, paste, and enter. Okay, done. Then second command from task number 4. Then okay, done. Now copy third, paste, enter. Fourth. Now we have to press Control C to stop this command, because which I think this command is sending traffic. This command is sending traffic to the virtual machines, I think. So simply press Control plus C. We are done with this task number 4. Now we have to create a application load balancer. Copy this code, paste, and enter. Just wait for some time. Okay, we are done with this code. Then copy the second code from task number 5, paste, and enter. Then wait for some time. Okay, we are done. Now copy this third command, paste, and enter. Now this is creating firewall for us. Okay, we are done with this code. Now fourth, paste, and enter. Okay, we are done with this code. Now copy the another command, paste, and enter. Okay, we are done. Copy the another command, paste, and enter. Done. Now copy the sixth command, paste, and enter. Just wait for some time. Okay, we are done with this command also. Copy this command now, paste, and enter. Okay, so we are done with this code. Now copy the another command, which is in point number 8, and paste here. And again wait for some time. We are done with this command. Now copy this command in point number 9, paste, and enter. Okay, done. Now copy this 10th number command, which is I think last. This is last command. Now copy this 10th number command, paste, and enter. And just wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this command also. Now you can simply click on check my progress for task number 5. We will get the green tick here. This is taking time because some lab takes time to update this code. So simply wait for some time. We will get the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. This means we are done with this lab. Now you can simply end this lab from here. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial, simply hit the like and subscribe button.